Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Banner Booking Add-on. Now allow anyone to advertise on your CS Card or multi-vendor store with this splendid add-on, that's the CS Card Banner Booking Add-on. Whoever wishes to display an advertising banner on your store can pay for a specific time period and can add their desired banners on the website as required. The admin can create two types of banners, that's the text and the graphic banners, and accordingly can set the price for each. Also, the admin can add numerous banners for booking and make them available for visitors as well. This add-on is also providing the functionality to add redirecting URLs to the banners to make the advertisements more effective there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront and the rest of the workflow at the admin's backend panel as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I've logged into my customer account, and the customers can find the banner bookings, or how they can basically make the banner bookings is by going to my account and then tapping on the banner booking. After they have made the bookings of the banners, they can go to the my banners section to view their particular banners, and they can edit their banners as well. So let's get ahead and let's see how the customers can book their banners. So for that, I'll just go to the banner booking option here, and this would bring up the complete list of banners that the admin has created from the admin backend panel, be it the text banners or be it the graphical banner. Here you can see that we have the text banner, here we have the graphical banner. So let's go ahead and let's purchase this banner advertisement number 2, and let's tap add to cart button here, and let's tap here on the checkout button thereafter. Now here we don't need to select any shipping, we'll just tap here on the continue button. On the payment section here, I'll be choosing my payment method for this. For the time being, I'll be choosing cash on delivery there, and I'll be tapping on the submit my order. So you can see that the order has been placed. If I check the order details here, you can see that the payment has been made by cash on delivery there, and the product was banner advertisement number 2 for $175 there. So that's how the customers can make a banner purchase there. And on the banner section there under my account, banner booking here, you can see that we are having the complete list of banners that are available there for purchase by the customers there. Now here you can find the details like the banner name, the booking price, the banner type, the booking period, the availability, and the add to cart button. Now after purchasing a particular banner, what you need to do is you need to navigate to my banners. So we'll go to my banners, and here you'll find the complete list of banners that you have purchased with their status as whether they are cancelled, approved, as you can see right now. From here you'll be able to edit as well any of the banners that you want to edit. For example, here we have the graphical banner, and for price $200 there. The status is approved. It depends upon whether the moderation has been set as auto approval or not. If it's set as auto approval, then the banners would be auto approved by the admin without the intervention of the admin there. So let me tap here on the edit button. So after tapping on the edit button, here we are having the banner advertisement, the name of the banner, the booking price, the expiry date, the booking date, the booking period is booked for 6 months, the current status is approved, the image that was edited by the admin. If you want, you can select a file from your local system as well as a customer, so you can change the image of the banner there, and you can also set a target URL for the image. So whenever this banner is tapped by a customer from the storefront there, then he'll be redirected to the particular target URL that you have entered here. So you can select another file image as well for this particular banner that you're seeing right now, that was created by the admin and purchased by the customer. After editing, he can update the image and set up the target URL for the image as well as per his own requirement, and can tap on the update button thereafter. So this was the workflow at the customers, and how the customers can check the banners that they want to purchase by going to the banner booking section, and how they can view their purchased banners under my banners, and how they can edit their banners under the my banners section. Now the banners are then visible here on the front end. As you can see right now, we have a banner booking banner that we have added. So if I open this up, we'll be redirected to the particular target URL that we had set up within the same there. Alright, so it depends upon the layout that you have used for displaying the banner booking there on the storefront. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the initial configuration settings. So this particular plugin and the rest of the workflow are the same. For that, let me take you to the admin backend panel. So let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button. Now after we have signed in, let's first of all check how the admin would be able to create the banners. So for that, he needs to navigate to marketing, and here he has to go to the banner booking. Under the banner booking, he'll be able to create the graphic and text banner ads that can then be placed on the storefront there for the customers to purchase. So let's tap here on the banner and booking. So here the admin will find the complete list of banners that he has already created. If it's the first time he's coming to this particular section, then this particular section would be empty. So you need to add a new banner by tapping here on the add banner button. You also have the option to delete any of the created banners by first selecting the particular banner and then choosing the delete option from this particular section here. Also, you can see that we have the add banner option. So if I tap here on the add banner option, we'll be able to see the new banner booking section, wherein we need to choose different options and set the different options as well. So for that, let me do one thing. Let me take you to a already created booking banner that we have already created, and let's edit that up. So let me edit this particular booking banner that we had already created. So the very first option here for the booking banner is if auto renewal is checked. So if this particular option is checked here, then the banner will be renewed automatically. So for the automatic banner what we say as renewal, you'll have to check this particular option here. Then we have the name of the banner, so you can set up the name of the banner. Then we have the description, you can set the description, the position of the banner, the banner type. The banner can be graphical or the text banner. If you have chosen graphical banner, then you have to upload the image of the graphical banner there. You can choose to open the banner in a new window as well. You can set a target URL for the same. You can set the booking price of the particular banner that you're going to create. Then you can choose the booking period, whether it's a predefined one or manual. In the predefined one, you can set up the predefined booking period for the banner for 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year there. Or you can manually define it according to days there as per your own requirement. And then you have to set the status as active or disabled. You can also create a text banner by choosing the text banner. Then you have to set up the text banner description, and the rest of the things go same as for the graphical, that are the booking price, the booking period, and the status there for the booking banner that you're going to create itself. Let's go back. Let me tap here on the leave button. So here as well, the admin can see the booking status, and here you can see, so for some we are having available and for some one we are having booked. For example, if you want to see the booking for this particular banner, then you can for this particular banner you can choose the banner booking history and tap there, and you can see that the banner advertisement 1 was purchased by demo at webkul.com. The booking date is today's date, the expiry date is there after 6 months, the booking price is 200, the booking status was approved, and the banner type was graphical banner. If you want, you can also edit it up, or you can delete the particular booking history as per your own requirement, or you can check the transaction as well under the transaction section, where you find the buyer's name as well, and you can check the order as well for the respective banner that was purchased by the customer there. So that's how the admin can go to the marketing and banner booking section to check the banner bookings, and how he can add a banner booking as well by tapping here on the add button there at the top right hand corner. Apart from that, you also have the banner booking history here. So if I tap on the banner booking history, we'll be able to see the different banners that have been purchased by different customers, their booking date, their expiry date, the booking price, the booking status, whether they are approved or cancelled, and the banner types, as you can see here on the right hand side as well. Now this was the workflow at the admin's end. Now let me show you the initial configuration settings. For that, you need to navigate to add-ons and manage add-ons. Here you have to search for banner, and here you'll find the banner booking. It allows the admin to create text and graphical banners which can be placed anywhere on the storefront, and here you have to tap on the settings option. So here under the banner booking, we have different initial configuration settings like auto renewal, auto approval, enable multi-language image URLs, reminder dates, and the cron key. So the very first option, that is the auto renewal, you can choose to set the auto renewal as enabled by checking this option. And if the auto renewal option is checked, then the banner will be renewed automatically. Then we have auto approval. So if auto approval option is checked, then the buyer doesn't require admin approval to buy and update the booking banners. Then we have the enable multilingual image URLs. So here you can set this option as enabled if you want to enable the or this basically this option allows the customers to add image or text and URL in multiple languages for the same advertisement in the case of multilingual sites. Then we have the reminder days. So the reminder days are the number of days set to notify the buyer about the banner before expiration. And then we have the cron key, which will be used to secure cron URL there. So accordingly you'll have to set that up, and after making these configuration settings you need to tap here on the save button thereafter, and that would save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin there. So yes, that was much about the CS card banner booking add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it allows anyone to advertise on your CS card or CS card multi-vendor store there. And if you still have any questions, queries, sessions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.